This is question 11 on problem solving from the 2018 ECAA. So we have a pile of boxes, and this is the view from above, where we have Amy stood here and Ben stood here. We're given Amy's view from the side, so this corresponds to this side that she's seeing, and then which one of these 5 images cannot be Ben's view? So how can we use Amy's view to help us decide what Ben's view should look like? Well, if we go through each column in turn, we can say that this one here, which is 5 boxes high, which must correspond to the far left one, as far as Amy is concerned. So we know this is a stack that's 5 boxes high, and then next, we know this is 6, but we have 3 possible piles of boxes that could be 6 high, but we know that none of these can be higher than 6, because that's the maximum that Amy can see. Next, we have this pile that's 7 boxes high, and we know that must correspond to one of these two, and we know that the other one can't be higher than 7. And finally, we have this pile which corresponds to this single pile, and we know that that must be 5 high. So which one of these is most useful for Ben's view? Well, we can see that Ben sees 3 rows of boxes, but the most useful one is the one where he just sees the one pile, that's this one here. And do we know how many boxes are in this pile? Well, no, but we saw that it can't be higher than 6, otherwise Amy would see more boxes in this pile. So we know this has to be up to or including 6. So do all of these options follow this rule? Well, we have 5 here, so that's possible, 5, 6, 6, but in this last one we have 7 boxes. And so we know that if this pile consisted of 7 boxes, then Amy's view would be slightly different. So we know this box means that this last option must be wrong. And this corresponds to E on the question paper.